This tutorial demonstrates how to configure Gammadyne Mailer to remove bounces and opt-outs from a mailing list. They can be processed together because the end result is the same, removal. The advantage is one less email account and one less project. Here you can see the Welcome panel. Click on Create New Project, then Manual Setup. First, you should specify the location of your mailing list on the Recipients branch. If your mailing list is located in a database, use the database branch instead, according to the instructions in the database tutorial. First, check the recipient file box. Click Browse to locate your mailing list file. Now we will specify the email account where the bounces and opt-outs are arriving. This is done on the source branch. Check the Process Remote Email box. Click the Add button to create a new row in the table. Specify the server name, username, and password. Please note that this email account cannot be used for any other purpose. Click the Test button to verify that your settings are correct. Now we will configure the project to remove recipients from the mailing list. This is done on the Processing branch. The processing mode must be set to Remove. We must tell Gammadyne Mailer to process all email addresses in the message body as well as the From header. Lastly, it's a good idea to set it up so that Gammadyne Mailer deletes auto-responses and soft bounces because these types of emails should not trigger a removal. This is done on the Criteria branch. Configuration is now complete, so it's time to save your settings to a project file. Choose Save Project As from the File menu. You are now ready to start an incoming operation, which will download the bounces and opt-outs from the mail account and remove the email addresses from the mailing list. Click the incoming icon on the toolbar or press F7. A progress window will appear while the operation is running. When it completes, the incoming summary window will inform you of the results. If there is a problem that you cannot resolve, please contact us. This concludes the Gammadyne Mailer Bounce and Opt-out tutorial.